a, and then minus 8b, and a, that's 144 positive. So now we have this two system, we have these two equations, and then we can just plug in 18 into this right here. So a equals negative 17. I would like to eliminate the a, so I will multiply this equation by negative 8, so that we will get negative 16a minus 8b, and then that is equal to positive 148. And then the next equation, I'm just write it down again. And then I'm just going to add them up. That way, this and that will cancel. This and that will give us 4b, and that will give us 76. And then of course, divide both sides by 4. We get b equals 128。